Hi, my name is Jennifer Ellis. I just attended, or I'm actually now attending my last day of the 3 day, my first day workshop. Um, I would say that I've been introduced to something that I thought was impossible. I've always been interested in real estate, didn't know much about wholesaling and how achievable and how successful you could be at it. Um, Dolmar and his team has definitely provided a lot of invaluable information that I will definitely say is life changing. They walk you through the steps of wholesaling from the beginning to the end. They break it down into layman's terms so that anyone can understand it. They give you a solid tool set to start your own business. And what I really love about this training is it's very hands-on. It's not just a recorded session, it's live. There's a lot of Q&A. All of your questions are answered. Um, and I feel like the Real Advisor team set themselves apart from other organizations providing this service because they really care. They really care about your success. Um, Attending this workshop has definitely become the beginning of the rest of my life. And I'm definitely confident that I'm going to be successful from this day forward.